This is the Kedudes magnetic dry erase calendar set, and you get 3 pieces. How cool is this? So the first one is for your monthly calendar, and you're able to write the dates as well as the month. You also get this one, and this is a weekly calendar. This is perfect for in case you have some chores to do or for events that are going to be happening. Perfect for everybody to stay on task and know what the schedule is for the upcoming week. They've even included a magnetic shopping list. Perfect for you to write down what you need at the grocery store, and then you can even take it off your refrigerator and take it to the store with you. Perfect! And what set wouldn't be complete with dry erase markers? These come with 6 markers. Let me show you what they look like. These are what the colored markers look like. They even have erasers at the tips as well. And on the back, they have magnets, so you can easily put it onto your refrigerator. They really thought of everything. Isn't this set beautiful? So perfect for every household. These calendars measure 12 inches by 17 inches. And the shopping list measures 12 inches by 5 inches. This would be perfect for the office, for your home, and school too. I think this is a perfect set, and I was sent this from Kedudes, and I think it is awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.